这有2螺丝。
Take off the 2 screws. Put down the machine and take off
这
the
是7个。
7 screws under the machine. You can take off the cover.
这还有2个。
哪里？
对。
There are also 2 screws you need to take off. Now take off the cover of the screen, the white one. If the handle holder is too tightened, you can loosen it, and then you can see here is a hope you can take off the cover.
把这个按一下，然后
Press this white one and take off the connect.
然后拆封。
Now tear apart the control board and the screen. Please find a clear and white place to make sure all the screws you take off put in the same place so you can keep them in case it's missing somewhere. You can see there is a copper here. You need to take care. Please keep the copper aside, and then later you install the new one. You will to put the copper into the same place. As to what our engineer did, take the copper aside from the screws, so later you install the new control board, you will need to put the copper into the same place. 现在是新的吗？现在呢？ Okay, now take the new one we sent to you, the new control board. Make the hole into the right place of the screws.
就如果要不好弄的话，可以掰一掰这个东西。
If it is not easy to put into the right place, you can adjust the direction of the screws and
这个东西可以调一调，掰一掰。
Yeah, you can see you can adjust it and make sure the screen control board to the right place. And put the large copper, the small copper,
先装这个，
put the large copper first, and then put the smaller one.
它那个有可能不是这个，每个装的都不一样。
好的。
那有可能是两个螺丝给套上去。
I'm not sure if your HIFU is the same as one larger and one smaller coppers, but please make sure what you take off, you will need to put it back into the same place. 拧住是吧？
嗯。这你们沈大可以剪一下，就这个。
And then insert this line you just take off.
上紧螺丝。
Tighten the screws in the four place.
然后
Okay, now put the cover back into the.
你直接让你客户装完屏幕先试一下，我感觉他换完屏幕应该就好了。
Okay, you know that we sent you two parts. One is the screen and one is the inside the main control board inside the machine. You can just change the screen and the board first and try if it works normally. If it works normally, so you don't need to change the inside the main control board. That will work. You can decrease the power to less than 1.2 joules and to see if it works normally without the problem. If yes, you don't need to change other parts. If no, we'll send you another video.